Okay, so we just picked up this Mustang GT. So this is a 2015 Mustang GT. It's the 50th anniversary edition. So it's currently on a wrap. Aftermarket forged rims, coilovers, BMR lockout kit, some other suspension upgrades. For the engine, it's almost stock except for 2020 intake with bigger intake tube plus bigger injectors and a lawn tune. So as you can see, I'm trying to remove the wrap right now because I think the yellow looks better. So I'm just using a steamer to heat up the wrap a bit, so to avoid the adhesives from getting stuck to the paint. Also, yeah, so we'll get this car ready to go out. Another thing is we need to change the stabilizer links and the wheel studs, but other than that, it's a good car. This car actually won the 2023 Manila Auto Salon as its first in modern American cars. Yeah, it's very clean car, only 30,000 kilometers in mileage. That's about it. Let's see what we can do about the wrap. Okay, last night was a fail because I didn't have an extension long enough. You can see the extension goes up to the common area of my condo. But now I have an extension. I tried to remove some of the wrap because it's not really that sticky and the adhesives aren't sticking naman. It's still okay. But now I'm gonna use the steamer and I'll show you guys how I remove this wrap.
3 hours later.
To pull, I've actually removed the whole side here already with no damages. This one's a hole, by the way. It's for the 5.0 emblem. It was stuck onto the film, so I'm gonna have to put that back on after I remove everything. But yeah, it's straightforward job, but you have to be very careful. So it's taking me, I think I've been doing this for the past 2 or 3 hours, and that's all I've done. Yeah, just taking it slow, making sure that everything is properly removed. Like this one, I have to remove the vents first before I pull it out, just so I don't want to leave any like residue. Good thing I have quick release bumpers, so it's easier to remove the film from that area.
Somebody's enjoying. Hi, how's it going, Bern? What happened? Bro,
Hindi na lang.
kaya pa? Ilang hours na ba?
Zero na.
How about deer? Boom. I think konti na lang, like
6 hours.
yeah, 6 to 8 hours to go. So the Cobra is shedding its skin.
Sa loob nga nakalagay.
What?
Ayun, Ferrari.
Saan?
Ayun, kaso pagod. Pagod na yung Ferrari.
Pagod na Ferrari. Amoy Ford.
2 days later.
today is 2 days after the video you saw a while ago. Took me another, I guess, about a total of 12 or 14 hours to remove all of it, including all of the ones on the sides that are really hard to remove. So I had to take off some of the panels. The plate is off right now. The 5.0 badge is off also, but I've already gotten a tape for it. So yeah, the car is almost ready to be driven around. After this, we will do the basic maintenance, change oil. We will replace the stabilizer end links. Also need to put one and replace one extended wheel studs. But overall, the paint is in good condition under the wrap. So we used the steamer and hot water to remove it. We have some slight scratches on them, but let's do. We can have those fixed. Also, the interior is all clean. So as you can see, it's a 50-year edition. Here are the badges. We'll install this in a bit. Okay, so it's Monday after the Holy Week and we're at MPH working on the car. Replacing the stabilizer end links here because the previous one broke. So the stab link's job is to just connect the coilovers to the sway bars. Okay, so the sway bars are now almost connected to the stab links, and then the next one is to install the extended wheel studs. So yeah, after this we're mechanically sound, so everything will be perfect with this car. Yeah, and then it's good to go. It's ready for the streets. You can play with it and whatnot. And I'll show you guys how it drives. Okay, so we got it to fit now. Torque this bolt to 110 foot-pounds as well as the one at the bottom part. All good. After this, I'll upload a video of review on the car. So mostly driving and how it feels, what's it like having 400 wheel horsepower from lawn tune. It's a remote tune, so it's not it's not like the tuner was here, right? So they will have access to the ECU and they'll tune it abroad. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or what, but let's see. Let's see when we drive it. Hello, so it's finally time. We will get to drive this car today after a few days of fixing it, doing maintenance to it. So yeah, let's do a cold start. It was a short drive. And if you saw in the video, I did a short pull. I think it was 60, around 60% throttle. It's pretty fast. In terms of handling, I couldn't really say much at this point because I didn't bring it out yet on the twisty roads, but it's definitely bulkier in a sense compared to, well, the Miatas, the S2000s. But so far it actually feels great on turning. It doesn't feel like it's gonna throw you over. It's very stable, it's planted to the ground. So yeah, we'll see if we can bring it to some twisty roads, but for now this is it.